Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Steam Game's Unreal Engine 4 Crash Reporter. Ever launch a Steam game only to be greeted by the dreaded Unreal Engine 4 crash message? Fortunately, there are a few things you can try before giving up. First, open the Windows search bar and type in Device Manager, then expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver, since outdated or outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common causes of UE4 crashes. If that doesn't resolve the problem, open Steam, go to your library, right-click the affected game, select Properties, head to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files to repair any missing or corrupted files. You should also make sure that Windows itself is fully updated and close any overlays or background application like MSI Afterburner, Discord overlay, or recording software, as they can sometimes interfere with Unreal Engine games. If the crash started after a recent patch, it's possible the issue is on the game side, so checking for a newer update and waiting for the developers to release a fix may be the only solution, especially if other players are reporting the same problem. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.